The UISCOM 88-key digital piano offers a full-size keyboard with semi-weighted keys, perfectly mimicking the feel of an acoustic piano, making it ideal for beginners to start their musical journey. This digital piano is equipped with a triple pedal system and a comprehensive set of accessories including a music stand, headphones, and key stickers, providing everything a beginner needs to practice effectively. Featuring MIDI-USB compatibility, the UISCOM digital piano easily connects to devices like tablets and computers, allowing access to various music apps to enhance your learning experience. With its 80 demo songs, 600 tones, and 800 rhythms, this piano offers extensive sound options to inspire creativity and musical exploration. The stylish wood grain brown finish not only makes this piano a functional instrument, but also an elegant addition to home decor, bringing a touch of sophistication to any room. The semi-weighted keys are designed for a quicker return and lighter touch, making them easier for novices to handle while still providing a responsive playing experience.